Us now, there is more trouble for Byju. A US court has imposed penalties on Byju Ravindran's brother, Riju Ravindran, for contempt of court. The judge said he refused to disclose or ascertain the location of $533 million in term loan proceeds. The court didn't issue an arrest warrant for Riju Ravindran as he is an Indian citizen currently living in the UAE, which does not have an extradition treaty with the US. Aishwarya standing by now with more on the matter. Aishwarya, take us through this penalty and what does Byju's have to say about this?
A US court has penalized Riju Ravindran, Byju's director and Byju Ravindran's brother, for contempt of court after he failed to locate the missing $533 million from $1.2 billion worth of term loan proceeds. US bankruptcy judge John Dorsey said during a hearing in Delaware that Riju Ravindran not only failed to make a serious effort to find out what happened with the cash, but also deceived the court. The judge also said that another hearing will be held to decide how much Riju Ravindran must pay in fines and whether he has any assets subject to court jurisdiction. The court prohibited further transfer or use of the $533 million and also found that founder Byju Ravindran and his wife and co-founder Divya Gogulnath are working in concert with Riju Ravindran. While the court has ordered the arrest of the hedge fund manager William Morton for his repeated refusal to appear in the court, when it comes to Riju Ravindran, no arrest warrant has been issued as he is an Indian citizen living in Dubai. A company source told CNBC-TV18 that the court order is a judicial overreach and the judge is biased. The Byju source further added that the so-called contempt order of Riju Ravindran is purely symbolic and has no meaning or bearing. It holds no legal weight or practical implications for Byju's or its stakeholders. Rubbishing the order, the spokesperson further went on to say, and I quote, "These utterings and observations by the American judge are widely publicized by the lenders as a tactic to apply more pressure on Byju's, which refuses to succumb to unfounded claims and unfair settlement terms." Back to you.
Aishwarya, many